Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials and launching the process now. First, make sure the email or phone on the account is accurate so recovery codes will reach you. Open Facebook on a stable desktop browser or the latest mobile app. Once done, go to Settings and Security and locate the Security Checkup or Identity Verification prompt. Keep your phone and any authentication app ready. This prevents delays while Facebook sends codes or requests ID. You'll move immediately to verification steps next. You now complete the detailed verification. When Facebook asks, submit the requested identity, take a clear photo of your ID or use in-app selfie verification. This speeds approval. Next, review devices and sessions. Log out any unfamiliar entries and remove old devices because clearing them reduces risk. Then enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for better security over SMS. Set up backup codes and register a recovery phone. This combination closes attack vectors and prepares. Finish by confirming your settings and testing a clean login. Save recovery codes, verify your email and phone again, and perform a test sign-out and sign-in to ensure two-factor works. If Facebook still blocks you, retry the process from a device you previously used to log in on a consistent IP address. Once done, use the Help Center's appeal flow and submit a clear photo ID if automated checks fail. One key troubleshooting tip: wait 24 hours after repeated attempts before resubmitting to avoid automated throttling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.